So I'm going shopping today for camping gear. And maybe not the most unlikely spot, but most people don't think of this as a place to get their camping gear. I'm going to the hardware store. Hi, I'm John with Let's Go Now Adventures, and we make videos about camping, about all things camping, and our main goal is to provide you with some tips, tricks, and suggestions to help make your camping experience awesome. So here we are at Home Depot. Let's go find out what kinds of camping gear treasures we can find inside. Wedges can be a much safer alternative to getting your wood ready for the campfire. These nails serve as one of the best substitutes for a tent stake I've ever had. It's 3/8 inch of steel holding back. They're not going to go anywhere. Tie downs and tie straps can also be found at the hardware store. These come in really handy when you take as big a load as we do. Hardware stores have great deals on charcoal too. This was a bundle of 2 that they sell together. It's a good deal. But if you get the charcoal, you're going to need something like this chimney to get it started. A chimney is a really efficient way to get charcoal started. One of 2 things I never leave home without: WD-40 and duct tape. So at your hardware store, there's often you're going to find bins. It'll make things really easy for storage. You know, whether it's a smaller bin like this for a cabinet or cupboard, or you can even go to a larger bin. So most people, when they think of purchasing camping gear, aren't thinking of going to the hardware store. Big box stores like Lowe's and Home Depot have a lot of camping gear that you may not have even thought of. Take a look at your camping list, go down the list, and you'd be surprised to find out how much of it you can get at your local hardware store. That's not all. Even smaller hardware stores have quite a bit of product in their stores that you can use for camping. So stores like an ACE, a IFA, or a Harbor Freight actually contain quite a bit. And some of those small hardware stores actually carry camping gear. So I hope you found some great value in this. Please give us a big thumbs up. You know, if you do a thumbs up and like the video, it does help our videos be seen by more people. Thank you for watching the video. I'm John with Let's Go Now Adventures, and we'll see you on the next adventure.